a glacier, a close escape, and a very special surprise. We're exploring Georgia right here on Waterfall. Welcome back to Waterfall. This is my third episode in Georgia. Again with Toko, my local guide and a mountain bike guide and everything. Today we're going up towards Mountain Kazbegi. It's about 5,054 meters above sea level. We cannot make it because it's 3-4 days tour.
Yeah.
But we're going towards that direction. You might not see it. The summit is in the cloud now, but we're going that direction about 4-5 kilometers.
Yeah.
To
see the glacier.
To see the glacier, hopefully. About 4 kilometers on Sabetse, and then up to the glacier.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Located on the western fringes of Asia and bordering on Europe, Georgia boasts of a rich culture that draws from both the east and the west. It's a mountainous country almost entirely in the South Caucasus, with some peak over 5,000 meters. A perfect place for Waterfall explorers, as we set out to bring you 4 great Georgian adventures. We left Juta and moved by car to Stepantsminda. It's 147 kilometers from Tbilisi and 1,740 meters above sea level. From there, we switched to a 4x4 to go up to the starting point for today's hike at Glacier, 2,200 meters above sea level. There's a whole service to carry heavy gear up for those who want to try and submit Mount Kazbegi. But for us, it's just a day hike. We walked not even 2 kilometers. Oh, the climb is horrible. It's about 300 meters elevation. It's so much, gosh. Cannot get my breath. The trail is popular for day hikers and trail runners. But at this altitude, breathing starts to become difficult if you have not acclimatized. It's better to plan shorter hikes until your body gets used to the sea air. The first part of it is rather steep. My gosh, 3 kilometers only. Already climbing up for 600 meters. And still ongoing. It's time to have a quick lunch break. As in all mountains, the weather can change very fast, and we can see it is changing. So we need to hurry up. Heavy rain at this altitude could be dangerous if you're not prepared, as the temperatures in the summer can drop rapidly. We soon reached 3,040 meters, where there's a place to take a break and enjoy a coffee or something little stronger with amazing view. For us, we dared not stay, as we wanted to reach the glacier before the rain. It's another 200 meters of elevation, so heads up and move on. Yeah, well, we finally reached the waterfall and the glacier, but Toko is not very happy because the weather is changing. It can be raining anytime. We might have to move down.
What to do? We're in the mountains.
Yes, we're in the mountains. We need to show the respect. But he also mentioned the glacier 5 years ago. Wow, thunder. 5 years ago, the glacier was much further
than now. Every year it gets smaller and smaller because of the global warming.
We need to look after our environment, do whatever we can to save us. Anyway, we better go down. Look at the view behind us. Well, it started raining a little bit, so we are running down. But I kept something really, really beautiful at the end of the video. You need to see that. It's so easy to get down, so easy. The rain was on and off as we went downhill. We hurried up just in case it got heavy. Alright, it's drizzling a little bit. We still have 2k to go down back to Stefansminda. Well, luckily I have Toko to help me to pronounce it properly. We have been keeping the most interesting spot from the very beginning. That's where we started. The Trinity Church. Wow, the full name is?
Gergeti Trinity Church.
Gergeti Trinity Church.
Yeah.
It looks amazing, and the light now projecting all the backdrop. Truly, truly beautiful. Earlier there was nice rainbow.
Yeah.
My fault. We missed that.
Trust us, there was a beautiful rainbow.
Hold on for a second. We just finished recording that clip, and the rainbow was out again. Followed with cloud and a bit of hail. So beautiful. So far we have done about 12 kilometers, but we still have 2k to go. This is relatively harder walk because we go up to 3,200 meters, but the view was truly stunning. Unlucky the weather was changing all the time. Stay tuned, we're gonna have another adventure tomorrow. Gonna be super exciting. Come with his specialty, mountain biking tomorrow. For now, like and subscribe our channel wherever you watch it. My name is Jack.
My name is Toko.
Bye bye. Well, and did I mention how great the food are? It's basically when east meets west and everything goes extremely well. After a long day trekking, this is fantastic.